What's going on, everybody? Matthew Moniz here. I'm here in New York City for the next Acer event where they talk about some of their brand new products that are coming on the market. Now, there wasn't a ton of big announcements like last year, but there were a key few announcements that I do want to discuss. The first one is the Acer Predator Helios gaming laptop. Now, I reviewed this. I gave it a great review. It was a fantastic laptop for the price. This year, they've updated the internals and introduced a gold and white special edition. Now, I love the look at this. It doesn't look like your typical gaming laptop, so it doesn't look like it's going to kill you while you're sleeping. It basically has a classier look, so it looks a lot nicer when you bring it out. It's a little bit more presentable. Besides that, you have the same type of ports. You have dual Thunderbolt 3 ports, so you can hook it up to an eGPU down the road. You have an HDMI port, and of course, you have that GTX 1060 inside. The big thing is that you get the new hexa-core processors, the i7-8750H. The H means they are not overclockable, but you can overclock the GPU. Now, I will be getting my hands on this, so subscribe to the channel if you want to see a review on this awesome product. The next thing is the Acer Predator Helios 500. This is a brand new product. This is a gaming beast. This thing is a little bit thicker. It's 17 inches. It has a full HD or 4K panel, but you have the ability to game at 144 Hertz with G-Sync. Now, if you've never gamed with G-Sync before, you know the difference. Like, the difference is incredible. The experience is better because there's less screen tearing, and when you move around with your character, it looks a lot smoother. It just makes the game a lot more enjoyable to play. The higher refresh rate there is, the better the experience. Now, this thing is gonna be big, so you're not bringing this to the coffee shop with you. You're basically gonna be keeping this at home, or maybe bringing it to play in a LAN party, because it is a big device. You have a GTX 1070 instead of a 1060, so you do have more graphical power. And you have RGB if you want to change the color of the keys and all that stuff. I will be getting hands on both of these devices, so stay tuned for a full review. Besides that, there are a bunch of other cool things that I'll talk about in the near future. If there's anything else from this event you want to see, let me know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Click the notification bell to get the review right away. Like the video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.